Hey everyone, Jason from Iron Fence Shop with a quick answer to a common question we get all the time. Today's question is, which one costs more, iron fence or aluminum fence? Now I'm gonna just cut to the chase and not be one of those YouTube guys that makes you watch a 10-minute video to find out the answer. At the end of the day, aluminum fence is gonna cost less. However, I wanna reframe why that matters, and it's not just all about price. Budget and price are obviously important in any project, but like most things in life, the devil is in the details. While it's tempting to go off price alone, that can leave you with an aluminum fence that is damaged and needing replacement in its first season of being installed. When it comes to fence and yard gates, you need to consider the project needs overall rather than just price alone. If you're trying to keep costs low, 1, the fence is going to be in a quiet yard with no little kids or active dogs. 2, you're putting the fence near saltwater. 3, then an aluminum fence may be a good fit for you and your project. However, if strength is of any concern, 1, you're trying to more closely emulate an authentic metal fence. 2, live in a historic district or have a historic home. 3, or you want more style and custom options. 4, then an iron fence and gate setup is probably what you're going to want for your project. Aluminum fence got popular because it's cheap and easy to make. That's why there are 50 different aluminum fence companies and maybe 3 to 4 of us left in the steel game. While it may make you feel better to go with a lower cost aluminum fence and save a few thousand now, you could actually end up spending way more than that when the aluminum fence is trashed in under 1 to 3 years and you gotta replace the whole thing. I could bore you for hours with stories of animals, kids, and neighbors destroying light-duty aluminum fences that hadn't even been up for a year yet. Now it may sound like I'm trashing the lower cost aluminum fence, but I'm really not. It has its place and I love our aluminum fence and gates. However, I wanted to point out that while aluminum is cheaper than the iron, you really need to consider all your project needs at once before deciding on just price alone. Now, if you have any other questions about which fence material is best for your project, give us a call at 800-261-2729 or shoot us an email at sales@ironfenceshop.com. We look forward to helping you with your project.